Remember when cars were just a bunch of nuts and bolts? Well, now, they're basically smartphones on wheels. The revolution didn't just happen overnight. Behind this evolution is a tiny yet powerful brain called the ECU. It's the unsung hero of the automotive world, turning your humble ride into a high-tech machine. Imagine a world where your car's efficiency, power, and safety all hinge on this electronic marvel. Curious about the magic behind the dashboard? Let's pull back the curtain on this tech wonder. Hey speedsters and tech lovers, welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, the go-to channel where we unravel the digital mysteries under the hood of your favorite vehicles. Gone are the days when you'd pop the hood and you just see an engine. Now, there's a powerful computer in there, and it's called the Electronic Control Unit, or ECU. It's like the brain behind the brawn, making our ride smarter, safer, and way cooler. From vintage car lovers to modern tech aficionados, you're all in for a treat. If you're revved up for more deep dives into the auto tech world, smash that subscribe button and check out our site for a turbocharged load of tutorials. Buckle up, folks, because we're about to take a thrilling ride into the world of ECUs. The brain behind the brawn, demystifying the ECU. For all the petrol heads and gadget gurus out there, do you ever pause to marvel at the evolution of our four-wheeled friends? From being mere machines, they've morphed into sophisticated devices. Enter the Electronic Control Unit, or ECU, the unsung hero of this transformation. Often linked to the car's brain, the ECU is a powerhouse of an electronic controller, effortlessly managing multiple electrical systems within a vehicle. Once a tool simply governing the engine, today's ECU has evolved to become the custodian of a multitude of functions, be it ABS, brake assistance, steering, or the accelerator. That's right, cars don't just run now, they think. Rolling back time, ECU through the ages. Let's take a journey back to the 1970s, a time when flared jeans were all the rage, and cars, though impressive, were pretty straightforward. The introduction of the ECU at this time was groundbreaking. Initially focused on controlling basic elements like solenoids or carburetors, by the time we cruised into the 1980s, the ECU had matured. It now played a pivotal role in managing fuel injection and ignition for petrol engines. As we zip through the 1990s, vehicle security became another feature in the ECU's cap, along with a significant influence on turbo diesel engines. Fast forward to the 2000s and 2010s, and the ECU began showcasing its real prowess, from integrating the cutting-edge drive-by-wire concept to managing turbocharger controls and emission systems. And let's not forget its contribution to the age of autonomous driving. Peek under the hood, the ECU's inner workings. It's hard to fathom, but your modern car is practically brimming with a whopping 80 to 90 ECUs. Beyond the commonly known ones, we have niche units like the Soto control, human-machine interfaces, a fancy term that ensures your car understands you a tad better, and power control modules. Let's zoom into the engine control unit, a universe teeming with sensors and actuators. Imagine numerous microscopic watchmen, like the temperature sensor, vigilantly monitoring and alerting the system to ensure optimal engine performance. Pop quiz, speedsters. If the ECU were a character in your favorite movie, who would it be? The hero, the sidekick, or the mysterious guru behind the scenes? Drop your answers below and let's see who's really tuned in. The many hats of ECU, diving deeper into its mastery. The ECU. If automobiles were a symphony, the electronic control unit would undoubtedly be the conductor, meticulously coordinating each instrument, ensuring a harmonious performance every time the ignition key turns. But let's not reduce the ECU to just a conductor. Its functionalities are far-reaching, spanning across the intricate terrains of a vehicle's anatomy. Delving into this, we realize that the ECU, in all its technological glory, has a fascinating role in multiple vehicle domains. Number 1. Powertrain Control Module, the beating heart. Think of the powertrain as everything that makes your car move, from the engine and transmission to the wheels. The Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, hence acts as the central nervous system of this movement, receiving and processing signals from various sensors. It determines how much fuel the engine needs, when to ignite the fuel, which gear to select, and countless other decisions that affect the car's performance, efficiency, and emissions. By continuously monitoring and adjusting engine functions, the PCM ensures that the vehicle provides the best possible balance of power and fuel efficiency. In essence, it's like the maestro ensuring every beat of the heart or engine is in tune with the melody of motion. Number 2. Body Control Unit, the subtle communicator. Beyond the roaring engine and the swift movement lies the silent symphony of functionalities that make a car experience truly luxurious and seamless. Enter the Body Control Unit, or BCU. Responsible for managing and controlling the electronic components inside the car's body, the BCU is the unsung hero behind functions like adjusting your seat, ensuring the interior lights dim out as you start the car, or even making sure the power windows work effortlessly. It ensures every component inside the car's cabin communicates and collaborates to provide a seamless experience. Think of it as the puppet master behind the scenes, pulling the strings to create a comfortable and responsive environment for the driver and passengers. Number 3. Chassis System, the sturdy backbone. The chassis is to a car what the skeleton is to the human body. It provides the foundational structure on which everything else is built and integrated. The ECU's role here is crucial in ensuring that the vehicle's structural and functional elements like suspension, steering, and braking systems are harmoniously integrated and function in sync. It ensures that as the wheels turn, the rest of the car responds in tandem, providing stability, safety, and a smooth ride. Like the spine ensuring we stand tall and move gracefully, the ECU ensures the vehicle's chassis system is robust, responsive, and reliable. An ode to the engine ECU. The engine ECU is undeniably a cornerstone. It's like the conductor of a vast orchestra, synchronizing elements from fuel injection rhythms, timing the spark for ignition, and fine-tuning the RPMs. The payoff? Vehicles that are not only efficient and powerful, but offer unparalleled safety. So, the next time your car purrs responsively, tip your hat to the engine ECU. ECU in action, when theory meets road. Have you toyed with the cruise control on highways? Behind that consistent speed is the ECU, taking inputs from the wheel speed sensor and making micro adjustments to ensure you cruise smoothly. This intricate dance between input and output, constantly adjusting based on feedback, exemplifies the closed-loop control system. Today's ECU, a glimpse into the future. Contemporary ECUs might sound diminutive with a 32-bit, 40 MHz microprocessor and a mere 1 MB of memory. Yet, this tiny tech titan orchestrates a symphony, ensuring optimal performance over vast mileage ranges. It might not boast the specs of a high-end gaming rig, but its efficiency and precision rival even the most sophisticated desktops. To wrap it up, cars have evolved from mere modes of transportation to marvels of technological innovation, and the ECU is the unsung hero behind this evolution. If this deep dive has revved up your interest, don't forget to hit subscribe and join us for more explorations into the auto tech universe. Keep cruising, and always remember, under your car's hood, there's a world of wonder waiting to be explored. Well, gearheads and tech enthusiasts, we've taken a deep dive under the hood today, all thanks to the wondrous world of the ECU. Just as every car journey is incomplete without that perfectly curated playlist, Your tech journey on the information superhighway is missing a vital pit stop without subscribing to Car Computer Exchange. If today's revved up insights got your engines roaring for more, don't leave your knowledge tank on E. Fuel up on more auto tech wisdom and ensure you're in the fast lane to all the latest updates. So, hit that subscribe button and join the Car Computer Exchange family. After all, why take the scenic route when you can turbocharge your way through the world of automotive marvels? Drive safe, stay curious, and keep those gears shifting smoothly.